Let's see if there's anything good in the fridge. Former enemies, one and all. A catalogue of thieves, double-crossers, and do-gooders. Prepare to meet your maker. Your ice maker.
Makes me laugh every time, that one.
Shut that door.
Liquid nitrogen, that will freeze us instantly.
There's a paperclip in my backpack. Let's see if we can get it. It's a pocket in the pocket.
Blimey, it's cold.
That's why I wore my mittens.
Huh? Hitmen don't wear mittens. Take them off. You're embarrassing me.
Well, it's all right for you. You got little hands.
Got it.
They don't get as cold.
I ain't got little hands.
Yeah, you have. You got lady hands.
They might be small, but they're lethal weapons, these.
You got your mother's hands.
Right, put your hands together.
Wipe your feet. Oh!
Stop squirming.
Goodbye, vermin. Now, let me see the latest addition to my Cubist collection. What? Impossible!
Hi, Emmett. The prize returns to me. You big fat slimy airpan!